Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best folding table and chair sets that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Festnite's 7-piece dining set with 6 foldable chairs. The stylish and contemporary dining set comprises an oval table and 6 foldable chairs. The set will automatically add some luxurious touch and be a central point for the garden, patio, or some other outdoor location. Despite being new in the market, this set has all it takes to bring the best feeling of relaxation to any outdoor location. The dining set similarly features quality construction. The acacia wood is basically weather resistant so that it can serve you for the longest time possible. To add to that, the set has been painted with some oil to make sure that its cleaning will be a breeze. Again, the delivery is very fast to guarantee customer satisfaction. Moving on at number 4, we have Festnite 5-piece outdoor dining set. This is a stylish outdoor dining set that comes with a round table and a set of 4 foldable chairs. We are therefore right to say that you will get a luxurious touch from this set for an outdoor dinner. The set is made of some eucalyptus wood which has been proven to be weather resistant and also durable for many years to come. Its oil finish gives the wood some rich and warm color, making its cleaning easy. You will also like the ease with which these chairs are folded after use to save space. Another reason why you should be opting for this set is the fact that assembly will be something easy. The manufacturer has drilled a hole at the table to guarantee that you easily fit an umbrella on the table. At number 3, we have Belly's folding table and chair. Belly's furniture set is an ideal option for any outdoor space. The pattern on these chairs is essentially eye-catching while the table remains very simple for functionality. Its 3 pieces will fold down with ease, making transportation and storage very easy. It has been constructed from an all-weather PE wicker and some steel materials. This, therefore, tells you that this set is worth buying. This set comes in neutral colors which will be ideal for any outdoor decor. Since it comes ready to use, you are sure that there will be no assembly needed. The materials used in the construction of this set are very strong and at the same time very durable. When it comes to cleaning, a damp cloth will easily do the job. At number 2, we have Flash Furniture folding table and chair set. This is a very amazing table and chair set which is made in a multi-purpose design. This is a very simple to use set which can be easily folded down when need be. The padding on the chairs is of good quality which definitely translates to high levels of comfort. This set is also available in an assortment of colors from which the buyers can pick from. One more thing to brag about this set is the ease of assembling the set. It also comes in very lightweight, which makes sure that you can carry it everywhere you go. Being made in a multi-purpose design, you will appreciate its versatility. Again, the price is relatively affordable. This means that everyone will afford it regardless of their budget. And finally at number 1, XL Series folding table and chair set. It is evident that strength meets comfort. With padding of 1.5 inches, the chairs you will be sitting on will offer you utmost luxury. The construction of these chairs is sturdy enough, allowing them to support a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. Again, these chairs offer some unparalleled durability as well as long-lasting comfort. The set is also available in multiple selection colors. Made with some commercial vinyl and fabric upholstery, the set is very easy to clean and also resistant to stains. The tabletop is also wide enough such that one can play comfortably. Being ADA compliant, this set is very accessible to wheelchairs. Again, the customer service team is very reliable. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.